I was on my way to the mechanic when I drove past Olugo layout along Abwani Road. On seeing the signpost at the junction, I remember that the Enugu State Government recently awarded and flagged off the construction of 141 urban roads within Enugu metropolis. So on my way back from the mechanic, I decided to drive around to see if work has started in any of these newly awarded roads. Although work has started in some, work are yet to start in others. But as time goes on, I will be driving around to show you the progress of work in some of the sites.
It's been too long. Won't you come back to me? If I did you wrong, I'll make it right, you'll see. Back to my arms. everybody and get together. Make love last forever, every day and every night. When the whole damn world is beating you down, what about when you get burned from the tricks you never learned, and now you're dead on the ground? The story's sad, but it's true, and it can get the best of anyone. Loneliness won't get you through. You're gonna need to find a friend, gonna need to find someone. And if you wake up tomorrow and your heart ain't feeling right, find love to steal or borrow. Say goodbye to pain and sorrow every day and every night. Every day and every night.
Not much writing love songs. Hell, I never even tried. With 1,000 things gone wrong, here's one thing that is right. I run back to you, and you come back to me again. Wildfires burning, and they're packing up for war. Seems like nobody's learning from the ones who came before. But I run back to you, and you come back to me again. Up before the sunrise on another working day, trying hard to hold tight to the one thing that remains. So I run back to you, and you come back to me again. I would lay my head down at the evening's end and dream about a love song I'm writing to a friend. I run back to you, and you come back to me. And I will run back to you. You can come back to me again.
Everybody had a hard year. somebody got their pay. What a time for the lonely ones. Thought every dog had its day. What a time for the wicked, the hungry and the brave. Ain't no time left to pretend. The car is on its way. Somebody call the cat in. We don't need another stray. If everybody had an answer, nobody'd have to wait. What a time for the righteous. The hero never came. Ain't nobody out there like us. There ain't no two stones the same. I'll be alright, 'cause I got you on my shoulder. I'll be alright. We'll settle down when we're older. We'll be alright. Somebody let some air in. It's getting hard to breathe. Won't somebody let some light in? It's getting hard to see. I'll be the great liberator and set somebody free. There's time to talk about it later. Come on, we gotta leave. I'll be alright when I got you there to hold me. I'll be alright. I'd slow down if you told me it'll be alright. What a time for the righteous. The hero never came. Ain't nobody out there like us. Or are we all the same? I'll be alright, 'cause I got you on my shoulder. I'll be alright. We'll get some rest when we're older. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. Old man on the corner, selling pencils from a cup. Big man giving out orders. Turns to us, says, listen up. Oh, we're gonna die here. You gotta get out when you can. So you better say goodbye here. Come on, get in the van. Take a drive out to the country. Look around to breathe the air. Oh yeah, if I get tired, you get hungry. I found us something we can share, and it won't be too long. You know that time is gonna come, like the words to a song that's finally getting sung. beside you. I see why you can't understand me.